Fine. You got the light on you?
Yeah. I feel like I'm about to get hit by a fucking microwave.
I'm gonna stand behind you, Hudson.
How long does it take till it blows up? Hang on.
Like 10 seconds.
Really? Hold on.
I'm ready.
Ow.
I won't zone in on you. Go. I'm getting nervous.
Do you ever get nervous?
Oh yeah, I get nervous.
Oh my god, there's a snake.
How loud is this?
Pretty fucking loud.
Yeah.
Run, Drew.
Holy crap.
Holy shit.
I almost got hit by a microwave.
Holy. Oh, I told y'all. Holy shit. I told y'all to get the fuck out the way.
Oh my. I almost got hit by a microwave.
Holy shit.
Did you see the microwave fly at me?
Yeah. Holy shit. It's right there.
We blew up a microwave. We blew up a fucking microwave. Look at the
sparklers. Let me watch it.